Online process of document update in Aadhaar. Visit portal at myaadhaar.uidi.gov.in. Click on the document update section to upload your proof of identity and proof of address document. This service is available free of cost using My Aadhaar portal till December 14, 2023. To know what to submit or how to submit, please click here. Now click here to submit. Enter Aadhaar number. Enter CAPTCHA displaying on the screen. Click on Send OTP. OTP will be sent on your registered mobile number. Enter OTP. Now, verify your details like name, date of birth, gender, address with your available POI and PoA documents. If there is mismatch in any of your detail, please update your demographic detail, name, address, date of birth or gender at nearest Aadhaar center, and for only address update, click here. Select the consent box to proceed further. Now upload your proof of identity and proof of address document in prescribed format and size. First, you can upload proof of identity document. Then proceed to upload your proof of address document. Now give your consent to proceed to the next step. Dear resident, this service is free of cost till 14th December 2023. Your Aadhaar uploading process is successfully completed.
मेरा आधार, मेरी पहचान।